The 2010 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, leather, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, cloth bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.